What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to integrate or connect your Zapier Shopify store with the Brevo. For that the process is very simple. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be redirected to this page. Log into your official account, then go to the left hand side, navigate yourself at the bottom and you will see the commerce button. Just go ahead and click on this tab and click on connect my store. Here you will find a bunch of the integrations according to your store. For example, Shopify, HubSpot, Google Ads, BigCommerce, MailChimp, Salesforce, and all that stuff. Here you can even search for the Zapier. If there is a integration, click on it and then you will be able to install it. Likewise, you can search Shopify and you will be able to install the Shopify as well. So once you go and click on this one, all you have to do is to sign in with it, and that way you will be able to install it. And then for the Shopify, here is the Shopify. So it says click on this button to dedicate the article, customer manager, and all this stuff. And then here are the ways how to install it. Go to the push email Brevo app pages on the Shopify App Store. All you have to do is to go to Shopify App Store and then click on install button, searching Brevo push out, and then it will ask you for these steps. Once done, you will be able to enable it now, and then you will be able to use it with the Brevo. That's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.